World War I, a global conflict of unprecedented scale, presented nations with complex challenges and crucial decisions. Greece, situated at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, faced a particularly significant test of unity and national identity during this tumultuous period. Greece at the outbreak of World War I. At the onset of World War I in 1914, Greece declared neutrality, a stance largely influenced by the nation's internal political divisions and its previous experiences in the Balkan Wars. The National Schism. Greece was divided by a bitter political divide known as the National Schism. Prime Minister Eleftherios Venizelos, advocating for Greece's entry into the war on the side of the Allies, faced staunch opposition from King Constantine I and his supporters, who favored a policy of neutrality. The Allied influence. Venizelos' pro-Allied stance was motivated by the promise of territorial gains in Asia Minor and Thrace, as outlined in the Secret Treaty of London. This pledge provided a strong incentive for Greece to align itself with the Allies. The Balkan Front, a crucial theater. Greece's strategic location in the Balkans made it a pivotal player in the region's evolving dynamics. The Allied powers sought to secure Greek cooperation as a means of strengthening their position in the eastern Mediterranean and the Balkan Peninsula. Greece enters the war. In June 1917, King Constantine I abdicated in favor of his son, Alexander, following pressure from the Allies and domestic political unrest. This paved the way for Greece's formal entry into World War I alongside the Allied powers. Greek contributions and challenges. Greek forces played a significant role in the Allied campaigns in the Balkans. They participated in the liberation of Serbia and Bulgaria, contributing to the overall success of the Allied efforts in the region. The aftermath and legacy. Greece's participation in World War I. However, the aftermath of the conflict brought its own set of challenges, including the Greco-Turkish War and the Great Fire of Smyrna. Unity forged through struggle. The experience of World War I, fraught with political division and external pressures, ultimately played a crucial role in forging a sense of unity and national identity among the Greek people. The challenges faced during this period served as a catalyst for Greece's future political stability and territorial integrity. Greece's involvement in World War I was a pivotal moment in the nation's history, testing its unity and resolve. The internal struggles and external pressures faced during this period ultimately played a transformative role in shaping Greece's path towards unity and stability. The legacy of Greece's participation in World War I serves as a poignant reminder of the complexities and sacrifices endured by nations during times of global conflict.